That's bad.
Let's backtrack a little bit. So yesterday, my dad sent me some pictures of the Starfire, the Pro Street Starfire, that sweet little 77 little Oldsmobile. And it's in primer. It was in primer. He sent me some more pictures this morning, and the car is painted. So I am just way too excited and way too anxious. We're gonna go check this thing out. There it is. It really makes that trim pop now.
Yeah.
Like, that really stands out. Yeah, the hood turned out great. I don't know if you guys remember, there was like 7 of these holes in it, and then it had a couple Zeus holes in it. Yeah, this thing turned out real good. I need to go get some stuff and polish those wheels. Oh, what do you think?
I like the color, but anything but that fucking blue.
Yeah, that blue is bad.
I mean, I wish I had one of those small little guns to shoot in the door jams and around the wheels a lot better. I should have just jacked it up, took the wheels off, and then sprayed it all. That'd be too simple.
This thing needs a good set of headers on it.
Yeah.
It's crazy how different the car looks.
Oh yeah. So much different.
Honestly, the red with the black mirrors reminds me of Mickey Mouse.
Oh, you noticed my black mirrors, huh?
Yeah, I've been staring at them the whole time.
I just didn't have the heart to make them red.
Why?
I don't know. Just want something to be different on it. Plus I had a brand new can of black paint and I didn't feel like mixing up all that red again just to shoot that.
Gonna have to call it the Mighty Mouse now. I think the hood turned out great.
Yeah. Was better than what it was? Yeah.
It just looks so much better.
You know, pull it up and set it in the sun and let it sit there for a few days. Hey.
Let's pull it out.
Man, when you started, got myself in there, click, pop, just turned the power on. Got back out, turned the power on, went back in there, Flip the switch.
Yeah.
Climb back out again. The motherfucker's not easy to get in and out of.
Should have tried it when that door bar was still in there. Yeah. Man. It just looks so much better red.
Yeah.
Golly. Especially like right here, being able to see the whole thing in the sun. It looks so good. Man. I just want to keep looking at it, man. It looks so good. I guess I'm a good paint job guy now.